Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages, and I'm here today with Jake Oskolowski, who's our insurance advisor.
I am.
So Jake, you've been working with us here at Bosanoff Mortgages for a while now.
Couple of years coming up, yep.
And Jake's the man that I tell all my clients when they're signing the authority and declaration to get a mortgage, speak to Jake, do an insurance review for your life insurance, income protection, trauma. It's really important that you have had that discussion to have some cover in place, because if something goes wrong with one of the partners or both, you need to be covered. Isn't that right?
That's correct, yeah. It's really important to obviously have that cover for your long-term retirement, everything. So making sure if something unexpected does happen, you're covered.
Yeah. And what sort of cover do you offer? Do you have available?
It's sort of personal risk insurance. So it's things like life insurance, trauma, income and mortgage protection, health insurance as well. Also look at key person business insurance and all that kind of thing for, personal covers.
Yeah. Now, a lot of my first home buyers say, hey, Michael, we're just buying our first home. We don't no plans to have children yet. Why do we need to speak to the insurance guy again? Michael, just remind me, and now I can use what you're going to say.
Well, essentially, it doesn't matter at what point in your life that you need it, or what stage in life you are at. It's always important to have personal insurance cover. If you're young, you don't have any health issues, that's the perfect time to actually get cover. You're not going to have any pre-existing conditions that are going to mean you're not covered for a certain condition. If you're a little bit older, that's even more important as well, because the chances are that something could happen to you at some point. It doesn't matter what stage you're at, it's always a good time to get it, really.
And redundancy cover, is that still a thing?
It is. It's a little bit more popular at the moment, obviously, because what's happening around Wellington especially. It's something that I've had quite a few queries about. There's obviously some limitations with it. It can be a little bit expensive, but it's always worth looking at, especially if you feel you could be in a job that, potentially something might happen to you in the next sort of year or so.
Perfect. All right, Jake, thank you for your time and thank you for helping our clients. I know you're a busy man.
Yep.
So here you are, Jake, our insurance advisor. And if you want to know more, feel free to get in touch and I'll be more than happy to put you in contact with Jake.
Thanks, Michael.
Thanks, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye, everyone.